Lace hair systems are a top choice for their breathability and comfort. We have three great options: French lace, Swiss lace, and Max lace. Each one is unique, so let's break them down to help you find the perfect match for your clients, focusing on durability, natural look, comfort, and price. Durability. French lace offers a superb balance between durability and natural appearance, making it perfect for daily wear. Swiss lace. As the most refined lace, it delivers an exceptionally natural look. However, its ultra-fine nature demands careful. Max lace. A bit more robust than French lace, it excels in resisting wear and tear, suitable for daily wear and perfect for those new to wigs. Natural appearance. French lace. Its fine texture ensures the lace is less visible, offering a seamless blend with the skin. Swiss lace. The pinnacle of natural appearance. This lace type virtually disappears on the skin, ideal for an undetectable hairline and high-definition setting. Max lace. While slightly thicker, it still maintains a natural appearance, harmoniously blending with the skin. Comfort. French lace, known for its breathability. It ensures comfort throughout the day, without compromising on durability. Swiss lace. Its ultra-lightweight and soft nature makes it the epitome of comfort, especially for sensitive skin. Max lace. Surprisingly softer than French lace and thinner, providing exceptional comfort. Cost. French lace, mid-range cost, offers good value for a natural look and comfort. Swiss lace, the premium option. Its seamless nature comes with a higher price tag. Max lace, the most budget-friendly option. It's an excellent choice for those seeking quality at a lower cost. Whether you're captivated by the balanced elegance of French lace, the impeccable realism of Swiss lace, or the sturdy resilience of Max lace, the ideal selection is within your reach. Ready to choose? Visit our collection and find the perfect lace hair system for your clients. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and trends in hair solutions. Your ideal lace hair system is just a click away.